Ah, oh, that's hot. That's hot.
Hey people, Kiara here from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using my lead gen secrets, one account, day 56, something like that. Alright guys, now the reason why I'm only using one account is to kind of emulate what beginners would make when they first start. You may make more, you may make less, but I'm just showing you my results to kind of interpret what you would, similar to what you would make. So if you did this, does that same way that I'm been doing it the last 55 days here, including making these videos. So all right guys, make sure the links in the description. You want to follow along, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and let's get started. All right, so let's talk about the first reason why I like promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business. It's because essentially it's a funnel builder with a lot of other stuff too, but that's the main reason there. It's a funnel builder, a very sleek funnel builder, very easy to use, very top tier funnel builder. All right guys, I've tried a lot of funnel builders. This is one of the easier ones to use, 100%. And it's only $25 per month with no limitations as well, no limitations. To compare, the most used funnel builder out today is ClickFunnels, and it is $97 per month. $97. And they have a ton of limitations. You can only make a certain amount of funnels, only a certain amount of people see your video, your link, stuff like that. And then that means when only a certain amount of people can see your funnel, they'll shut it down after it crosses a certain amount of views. That's crazy to me. Especially using some of my lead gen secrets, because a lot of people are gonna see your funnel. So anyway guys, that's the first reason. But the second reason, and I think the most important reason here, is because the $25 all-in-one digital business has an immaculate affiliate system. Just the best out there in the business. 80% recurring commissions. That's absolutely insane. And I haven't seen anything close to that except OnlyFans, guys. And I'm pretty sure OnlyFans is probably gonna, lower that. But people been making girls been making a ton of money on OnlyFans. So you gotta compare it to that, and like this system is similar. It's crazy. You can make a ton of money off of this system. I'm not trying that hard, guys. I'm just doing this one method. So I just want to show you guys how easy it is to do. You know what I mean? So anyway, man, let's get going here. Let's look at the results here. So it looks like we did get a sale yesterday, but let's refresh here and make sure. All right, guys, we did get a sale yesterday.
Nice.
Now, that's amazing, guys. To be honest, it's been picking up lately. Some of these are resales. So people I got in the system last month are paying their bills again. So I gotta remember that. But it seems like it's picking up a little bit. We getting more and more sales. We've been getting more and more sales lately, guys. Maybe it's my videos picking up or something. I'm not sure, but we've been getting more and more sales lately. To be funny though, look, Wednesday through Monday, no sales. But these last few days, I almost went through the whole week without getting a sale at least every day for a minute there, which is insanity, right? So yeah, man, we doing pretty well, man. Also, I want to speak on refreshing the page here, refreshing the results. If somebody does not refresh the page when they show you results, do not believe them, guys. There's a ton of YouTubers out there telling you how to make money in a bunch of different ways. One thing, I'd be kind of hesitant to listen to somebody that show you a bunch of different ways to make money, and I kind of focus on people that like kind of focus on certain things to make money. Like say they're an affiliate marketer, they focus on affiliate marketing. That's it. All kinds of affiliate marketing, but they come at you every 3 days with a different way to make money. I'm kind of like, about them. I don't know if I believe that. because you make a lot of money on YouTube talking about finances. That's the best way to make money online. Make finances videos. That's another reason why I recommend making these videos exactly the way I'm making them, and then make YouTube videos out of them exactly the same way. Because when people pay for financial videos or topics, people will make money off of that. You will make money off of that YouTube, since it's a financial video. Anyway guys, let's keep it moving here. We're gonna go to My Lead Gen Secrets here. Okay, we in the system, go to mailing system here, and we're gonna pick a email to send here. This email worked again. Every time I sent this email once before and it worked, and I just sent it again, it worked again. And gonna keep spelling bigger say yet. Let's go with this one. We're gonna go with the Let's Build Your Monthly Income. So anyway, first that, make sure to copy if you're interested in following along here. You can easily follow along here. Very easy to do. Just pause it when you need to copy something. Just pause it at a certain point in which I sent it. Make sure you hit perfect timing. What perfect timing does, send the email around time. People check emails, so it's a better chance of them checking the email, so to speak. Make sure your link works here. Let me check something here. Make sure the link's in there. Oh, okay. The link, by the way, I want to show you guys this real quick. The link that you want to use is this one here from this. I already got it in there, but this is the link you want to use from the all-in-one $25 business. Now you can try other ones. You might perform better. I don't know. I just know what I'm doing. I'm focusing on the all-in-one $25 business. All right, guys. That's all there is to that. Got the link in there. Now look at the preview. Preview works. Link works. All right, and we send the email. And it's just that simple, guys. Very, very easy, very simple thing to do. You just do this every morning. Take about 3 to 5 minutes to do, and then you just move on with your day, and you got a little extra income coming in until it becomes your full income. Remember, guys, I'm on like month, I want to say month 3. I've been in the system about 3 months, right? I think I'm on month 3 in the system, but I'm on month 2 when it comes to making the videos about it, because I saw that I got a sale, and I was like, oh, I ought to try making videos about this, telling people about this system, because it's amazing. All right, and that's how that works. All the links are in the description below. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.